Hi, my name is Kalina Lipinska and I would like to present you a new feature of Attentio brand dashboard, the Subjectivity. Subjectivity measures how emotional are the discussions about brands. Subjective articles are very important from the brand image perspective. They come from people who feel strongly about the brands. And simply speaking, subjectivity is the percentage of positive and negative articles or mentions across all conversations about brand. So for example, here you can see that Audi, BMW and Ford are by far more subjective perceived in Twitter than the other brands that we track here. Here underneath you can see the trends for subjectivity for different brands, and you can clearly see some pics of subjective articles, explosions of subjective conversations about these brands. And obviously on the right side you can see the subjective articles by chosen brand. Obviously you can still go to the detailed sentiment overview, so you can see the positive and the negative posts for a chosen brand. You can see them here. We look now at the positive articles. If you just go down, you'll also find the negative ones here, and they can all be viewed by language. These are the languages that we currently have automatic sentiment included in the dashboard. So English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Dutch and Norwegian. We are looking into including more languages in dashboard for sentiment in the future. Obviously we can track all languages without sentiment in the dashboard already. And now, because different people perceive positive and negative in different ways, we also included that tab here in the brand overview, where you can actually change the classification of the article. So as we see here, we have the chart for Audi about subjective articles by language. So the green line would be English and the other colors are the different languages. Here you have a drop down where you can sort by language. For example, we are looking now at all articles in English. Here you can sort by positive, negative, neutral and so on. And here underneath you have listed all articles about Audi. For example, you can see that this article has been classified as positive, and basically in that overview you can change that classification. For example, in that case I would say this is not relevant, so I just click on not relevant, go to submit feedback, and there we go. This click says that that article has been processed by a dashboard user, so you can keep track of which articles have been actually changed by you and your colleagues. Obviously this is a beta release of that feature. We will be looking into extending subjectivity with a number of additional features that will make it even more useful. If you have any questions, please contact me at kalina@attentio.com. I'll be glad to answer your questions, and thanks for listening.